Welcome, and let's talk about Bitcoin gold price prediction between 2022, 2023 down to 2030. Now, BTG, Bitcoin Gold, have actually benefited from that name Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin is the king of cryptocurrency, and a lot of currency are actually trying to add that name Bitcoin to its name. Bitcoin Gold is one of those coins that have actually used that name Bitcoin on its name, and that have actually paid off for Bitcoin Gold. Now, Bitcoin Gold, as of November 23, 2020, okay, Bitcoin Gold was trading at $2.54. Okay, that is Bitcoin Gold all-time low. That is 2 years ago. But Bitcoin Gold on October 23, 2017, that is about 5 years ago, Bitcoin Gold actually hit $539.92. Wow. Bitcoin Gold since then have actually dropped down in value, and Bitcoin Gold is trading right now at $21.43. Now, in this video, let's take a look at Bitcoin Gold price prediction between the ending of this year down to 2030. Can Bitcoin Gold rise and hit $539 again? And if this happens, we are going to make a lot of money. Based on price prediction collected from different crypto professionals, over 100 data has been collected, and we have researched and analyzed this 100 data based on professionals' price prediction on Bitcoin Gold. We have come up and we picked the ones with about 80% price prediction that they are almost predicting the same thing. Now, as of 2022, the price prediction for Bitcoin Gold is $25.52. That is before the ending of 2022. Bitcoin Gold is expected to hit $25.52, and in 2023, Bitcoin Gold is expected to hit $39.40. While in 2024, Bitcoin Gold is expected to hit $58.23, and in 2025, Bitcoin Gold is expected to hit $87.19, while in 2030, that is in the next 8 years to come, Bitcoin Gold, BTG, is expected to hit $619. Wow. Well, that is to say, if you have just 5 coins of Bitcoin Gold, which you can purchase at the rate of $115 at the time of recording this video, you might end up making over $3,000 to $4,000 profit. That is a lot of money if you ask me. Well, Bitcoin Gold is one of the best, but remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.